Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce special head unit screw Android 12 variant special for Mercedes-Benz A-Class, GLA class, CLA class, G class 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox review. This is the shipping box, and this 12.5-inch Mercedes A-Class, G-Class, CLA class, and high resolution RAM 8 GB and ROM 256 GB. Okay. This is screw head unit, and those cable and the screws. Let me show. You can check this screws will come with the unit together. And special harness and cable. You can check. This factory plug and play. And this fuse box. This connect to back of head unit, and AUX input left and right, and there's camera, video input, and this rear camera input. This camera 12 voltage and ACC 12 voltage. This camera detect wire. Okay, and this small speaker. This factory adapter AUX. And AUX cable. This is 4G antenna, and this GPS antenna, and this connect the back of head unit, and there are two LAN cable USB and LVDS cable. This microphone. This original USB adapter. This LVDS 12 voltage. Okay, let me show head unit screw. Okay, you can check the screw. This blue light and the back. This USB GPS, this 4G antenna, this Qualcomm chip A-class and G-class, CLA class. This power cable, TF card and SIM card slot on back. Okay, let me connect the power. power on back of head unit. Okay, the screw will start. Okay, this started the screw. Okay, you can check this UI interface, these theme settings. You can change the color, red, any color. You can change the background. Okay, and very fast response. Navigation, music, Bluetooth car information system. Video is dashboard, and you can change the dashboard color. Built the microphone and reset hole on back. Okay. This is the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay, let me check the all apps are here. You can check it already built in Play Store, Google Maps, and the link file for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let me check the settings. This is Android setting. You can turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to the Wi-Fi. It also you can support the hotspot from your phone, and support the 4G antenna. This Bluetooth pairing, and you can visit our website. Belsee.com. Okay, and let me check the storage. You can check this Android 12 version. total 256 GB. And sound, you can adjust here the display. This dark theme. Night light and system Android 12, Android 12 system. Language, you also can change the system language. About device, you can check this Android 12 volume. Okay, and other settings, you can change these settings, language, system, and camera settings. This Android settings, this system information. And this factory system 1 and car display, you can choose the correct car display and save reboot, it will save the settings. Is functional and other settings. Okay, that's all. Thank you.